Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Bushcraft North of 60. I'm just here watching the Whiskey Jacks. I'll see how brave they are. Oh, they're cute. Bunch of them coming. So, this is Banting Lake. A little thermometer on the post there. It is currently outdoors. About 5 degrees. It's been pretty spring-like here lately, which is pretty weird though. And we're staying in a tent. My homemade pulp here. Just with some PVC poles I put on it. Rolled the end up to get it going through the snow a little cleaner. Just got some of our kit there. Got my Altai hocks on here so they don't ice up on the inside and out. Stove is going. This is the tent. Ho! Voila! Stove's going. A little smoky because we've been burning some pine that was here. But yeah, got a whole kitchen set up. Nice little picnic table. Bed's over here. And currently with the door open, getting the smoke out. We are at about 13 degrees and rising. So, we'll get back to here in a second with something interesting. Well, we didn't get a video of supper because not everybody might want to be on a video. Stove, got some lights going, candle. What's Barbara up to?
Making bannock.
By headlamp. So we're going to get some bannock on the go. It's outside here, like it's still kind of bright out. So it's about -5 and it's 35 degrees in the tent with the door open half the time. So hey everybody, this is it. This is the life, eh? They all took their cross-country skis, but I took the fat Altai hocks. No bears? No. Oh, that's the boys' bathroom over there, it looks like. Check this out. So my mucklucks that Barbara made me, I got my moccasin rubbers on them for in town. It's getting kind of mushy and dirty, so. But what a place. So this is just a teaser because I think I'm going to come back here and do an overnighter here soon. Show you guys that. Alright, it's getting dark, so there may or may not be any footage after this, but this is just a small update. I do want to say that I've got, I'm going to go by light here. I do want to say I've got editing software now, so hopefully things are going to get back to normal. So, we'll catch you guys here soon from the Northwest Territories. Take care.